some things noted that the ALL-DATA and the Mitchell, the Identifix missed, is pulling this and this. Pull both these on the whenever you go to remove the valve cover. Also back here, this little vent thing, pulling it. It does mention pull that one though. Also having an array of picks and little pry doodads. Have a nice array of those for the little electrical connectors, especially the fuel injector connectors. This picks make it nice to get in there and not have to tear shit up. Yeah. Putting this Dodge 3.6 Charger back together, even with all these nice array of picks and stuff. The electrical connectors on this car are super finicky. They have red security tabs all over, like most cars. However, those poor design, I believe, on this one. I could be wrong. Now, on these coil packs, these ones are super finicky, as in the tab on the inside of it bust. The little trick I got is this, and I've learned this over time, years. On this one, I actually pry up on the center tab. Let's see, and I apply a little bit of goo underneath of it right there, so it will dry and lock it in place, and yet it will be easy to remove for the next guy. I also use that trick on the inside of the connector at times, if need be. I don't need it on this car. I just gotta lock them in on the back side with the goo. Both the front ones, and I do both the front ones like that, and that just keeps that clip from releasing, from going down. Yeah, this car's crummy design on those clips. Put it back together.